Now we're going to timetable. Anna, where you going? Come on, get back here. I know, timetable, but you know what? Don't underestimate the power of timetable. Timetable is so powerful. You know, I want you to memorize timetable. I know some of you say, well, you know what, I got a calculator. Now, one thing I wanted to know, we are not going to be using calculator in this lessons, okay? On all our lessons, we are not going to be using calculator. Boom, calculator is out. Because you know why? We're going to use God-given talent, our own talent to calculate. That's what's beauty about math. Now, let's say, for example, you're on 150 floor, okay? You're an architect, okay, or you're a builder, yeah, and so you're working on this project, and suddenly your calculator just fell. What are you going to do? You're going to go climb all the way down from the 150 floor and grab the calculator and then go back up again, you know? All right, okay. I don't know, I'm trying to convince you. No, actually, no. So it's good, okay? Timetable should be like the movie Wild Wild West. Remember how, you know, a gun and I will travel, boom, boom, boom. You know, always be ready. You know, same thing I want you with timetable. Okay, the things I want you to know is just from 1 times 1 all the way through 12 times 12. Memorize that. Okay, let's say for example, if I ask you 3 times 4, 12, 5 times 6, 30, 7 times 8, 56, 8 times 8, 64, 12 times 12, 144. See that? Those kind of thing. I want you to able to boom, 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 boom. You know, you shouldn't be wasting your time, because when you are taking the exam, when the problem you're solving, if you're going to spend half of the time trying to figure out the timetable, what about solving the problem? See that? So that's what's so important. You know your timetable, so you don't have to waste your time trying to figure out the timetable and then trying to solve the problem, okay? So I want to keep in mind. So I want you to know all the timetable, all the way from here to here. Okay, now another thing is, go ahead, print out the PDF file. You know, it has some problems, the timetables there. Go ahead, review that and memorize the timetable. Okay, so that's something I wanted to, one thing I'll let you tell, one thing I wanted to share about you is that, the beauty about math is the only subject that teaches you how to be a problem solver. It put you the part of the brain. I'm not a biology student, I don't know which part of the brain, but it helps you to be a problem solver. In life, you're going to have all different type of challenges, problems, and things like that. So this trains your brain how to come up with a solution. See that? When you will see in math, you're coming up with a solution. I'm going to repeat this over and over not over, but you're going to see me repeating this because I really believe math is awesome. Okay? Okay, let's get back here. So timetable, okay? I want you to learn timetable. So memorize it. Please keep it in your fingertip. It's going to come so much handy. This is one of the major foundation in basic math that you need to know as you go along going higher math. Okay, so memorize, okay, from 1 through the 12. Okay, so now let's talk about Mach's first law.